Hello everyone, I'm Shaburi from hookedinloops.com. If you have still not subscribed to my channel, then please hit the subscribe button, and for getting updates of new videos, then please click the bell icon. Today I'm back with my handmade jewelry tutorial, and for this project I have used a jute fabric and stuck a cotton fabric on top of it and painted on it. I have made the string using embroidery floss and I have crocheted it and decorated it with jute scrolls on the top and at the bottom. So let's begin the tutorial. For this project I have used a square shaped cardboard and I have taken a slightly bigger sized jute fabric, and then I have stuck the jute fabric to the cardboard using fevicryl. Okay, so spread the fevicryl on the cardboard and then just stick it to the jute fabric and press it. Okay, and turn your work. Now we will be sticking the back portion. So just in this manner we will be folding it and sticking it. Okay, so we will be adding the fevicryl to the cardboard as well as to the jute portion, and then we will stick it. Okay, now it is slightly difficult to stick the jute fabric, so you need to add little extra gum and press it really hard and let it dry, but at the end it will gradually stick properly and the result will be quite satisfying. Okay, so in the same manner just add the gum and keep on pressing it until you get your desired result. Since it's not a normal fabric, it will take little time for it to stick. You can use fabric glue too. So just keep on spreading it and sticking it. Okay, and press it and let it dry for some time. Okay, so the base portion of the neck piece is ready. Now we will take a slightly smaller sized square cardboard. Okay, and then we will take a cotton fabric and stick it. I have used fabric glue for sticking the fabric to the cardboard like this, and then just turn your work. Okay, now we will be sticking the border at the back. So just take the scissors and cut it at the corners in the manner I am showing you, like this. At the end we will just cut out the corner portion. So now all the four corners have been cut and I have added the fabric glue to each side, and now we will just fold it and stick it and press it. Okay, so the small square fabric portion is also ready. Just cut out the extra portion of the corner. It's done. The small square has been dried. We will now stick it to the jute fabric. Okay, with the fabric glue and fevicryl. So just spread the gum at the back of the small square portion and stick it to the jute fabric, and then we will let it dry for some time. Okay, so the main base portion of our neck piece is now completely ready. We will now make the outline of the drawing which we will be doing. Okay, now just do the painting based on your own imagination. Our painting is now nearly complete. We will quickly do the border. And then we will just add one coat of red color in the jute portion of the border. Okay, and we will let our work to dry. In the meantime, we will make the jute scrolls. For that, I will take a simple piece of paper and just roll it in the manner I am showing you. It's just simple. You can use papers or you can use a bunch of jute twines and then wrap another jute twine around it. Okay, for the paper I have rolled it, and then at the end I have just added a little bit glue and stuck the loose portion of the paper, and the paper roll is now ready. Now we will be sticking the jute twine around this roll of paper. Okay, just roll the twine around this paper roll in this manner I am showing you. Add a little bit glue and twine it. Okay, okay, now we will cut the extra portion of the twine. Both the portions should be nearly equal in length, so just cut out the extra portion of the twine. Okay, don't forget to leave some extra roll of the paper and don't cut it out, because we will be using the part of the paper that is coming out. Okay, don't cut the extra portion of the paper. Now we have two projecting paper portions, so just we will be adding glue to it, and then we will insert it into the thread balls that I made earlier. Okay, in this manner. Okay, in the same manner we will add the other thread ball on the other side of the scroll like this, and we will allow our work to dry. So our jute scroll is now ready. Both the portions are now ready. We will just allow them to dry. Okay, now we will place both the scrolls on top and bottom of our neck piece, and I will be attaching them by simple stitching them. Okay, in this manner I will stitch our scroll to our neck piece portion. Okay, and then at the back we will simply tie a knot. Okay, just tie a knot and cut out the extra portion of the thread. So our neck piece is now more or less ready. We will now be adding our strings to the neck piece. Now I am keeping the neck piece really simple because it looks classier with simple designs. Okay, so I will be attaching jump rings on two sides of the top portion, because we will be passing our string through the jump ring. Okay, so just insert the jump ring and tighten it with the help of the plier, and our two jump rings are attached. We will now pass our string through the jump rings. Now I have crocheted the string myself. Just simple chain stitches have been done using two embroidery floss. Still, if you want to see the tutorial, comment in the comment section. I always prefer crochet strings because these look really pretty. So we will pass the string through the jump rings, and finally our neck piece is ready and it's just perfect. Okay, So our tutorial ends here, and I hope it was easy for you to follow and the design is also simple yet elegant. If you liked this tutorial, then please hit the like button, comment in the comment section for any queries. I will answer all your queries. I have got a website www.hookedinloops.com, so check it out. You will get my crochet patterns there. My channel is filled with crochet arts, fabric arts and clay arts, so you will get various playlists in my YouTube channel, so check them out. Please subscribe to my channel. Thank you and have a great day.